this Mark's Reviews Tutorials video. This is take 2. Have a look at this video up here. We bought a shower head. We're going to replace our existing one. And this is take 2 because that one was just so bad. But have a look at that other video and you'll see which one it was and why we're giving it the flick. We're going for a much bigger head this time around, and it screws directly onto an arm. So it's got a ball joint here which pivots around for your adjustment, but the actual where it mounts onto the wall is not adjustable. So step 1, there's a little rubber washer in here, so we're just going to screw the head on. That just screws straight on, and then there's no washer in the back. So over here on the shower, we're going to just wind a bit of Teflon tape onto that thread, and then the tape on the seal will stop any water from leaking out, and then we'll just screw it straight on. It really is screw on, definitely something you can do yourself. Taking this off, we did need to get a shifter or an adjustable wrench like this to get it off, and a sizable one, an 8-inch or a 250mm shifter. Okay, so we're going to put the Teflon on, and there is a trick. If you wind it with the back of the Teflon to that side, it'll stay tight as you pull it on. Hold it like that, and you see how it stays tight? If you go the other way, it'll unwind, and it's really quite painful to put Teflon tape on. So we're going to stick that around there. It doesn't need heaps and heaps. It's best to start off with like 3 or 4 times around, and then screw the fitting on. And if you need more, it's easy to add more rather than having it too tight. All right, so that goes on, and then we screw this on. And the other thing you can adjust with your Teflon tape is where this ends. Obviously we want it to, there we go, that's on. That's interesting, that's ended there, and it's a mile out from the wall. This type of shower head is, because of the depth of the thread here, you're either going to have to cut that off or put another flange underneath it. Okay, so a little adjustment. We've gone and got the flange that was off the old shower head, because otherwise we'd have to cut this back. So you can cut it back, but then you're really affecting what shower head you can put on in the future. So anyway, it's going to look doubled like that. But same deal, get it started. There we go, I've refreshed the Teflon tape, and that'll now screw on to where we want, which is going to be right there. And then it's just a matter of screwing this on, and this one has got the rubber seal, so we don't need to worry with any Teflon, and screw that on, and it really is that simple. Now there is the little flat spots you can see on there, so you can put a spanner on. So hold it on and adjust it up like that, and then that's it. Up on the rubber, it doesn't have to go tight. And there, let's give it a whirl. Okay, so you can see the water squirting out there. We'll try and nib that up, but if it doesn't nib up onto the rubber, we'll just put a bit of Teflon tape on that thread as well. Yeah, there was a bit of movement there. So there we go, and working well. So we'll give that a test and a rating, but looking the part. So the rating, quite simply, is awesome on this shower head. We absolutely love it. Really gets you wet and warm. It's not so bad. The little rubber noggins up the top, like the original one, if you saw the original film, it was getting all corroded. This you can clean, give a wipe. Much better shower head, and it's doing the job. It's lacking a bit of height on the other one, the original one that we had. It's lacking a bit of adjustability, but it's working really well, and we're very happy with this shower head.